Hey guys, so again, this is my last review on the Bask and Lather edge control, and this is what I have to say. So when I woke up 10 o'clock, right, 10 p.m. to get ready for work, my hair, again, my edges, they poofed up. It was slightly good, but they kind of poofed up. Then I had to reapply. When I reapplied, I did the same thing, like rubbed it in. I went to work and it was doing good. I went on my first break, they were still there. I went on my second break, and then I did my 30 break. And it looks really good. Yeah, the edges are still there. So what I have to do, so what I gotta do is put it on like 2 hours before I go to work. Because it stayed, and the edges still look good. Even this little curly Q swoop. It looks really good. So again, everybody has their own way of doing edges. They got the little swoops. They want that natural look and whatever, like dramatic edges. But I like simple and natural looking edges, so I have them like that. You know. But yeah, masculine leather is the real thing. It lasts. It does last a really long time. Yeah. So would I use this? Would I buy it? Yes, I would. But I love it. It lasted way longer than all the other edge controls. Yeah. So definitely get you some basking leather. Basking leather. Lather. And I'm sorry, I was so tired. I just got off of work. But yeah, I approve and I really like this edge control. And you guys better get you some because it is a real results. Yeah, amazing. Go get you some. Bye.